Orlando Pirates fans, I've got bad news for you, Bafethu. The bad news is, yeah, this nigga is back. Buyile lo mjita lo Bafethu. The Ghost Slayer is back. Gubi. Do you understand ukuthi Bafethu? Lo mjita lo. We are done out here, Bafethu. It's chai. Namhlanje kuzowa iMarikana lapha eOrlando, ngiyantshela. If everything doesn't go positively, if everything goes negatively, kuzowa iMarikana eOrlando namhlanje. Yes. Let's hope that we pull this off, Bafethu. We are underdogs. Beat these motherfuckers, man.